single day I'm gonna make something great.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will make video about Indonesia, such as traditional food, tourist attraction, and tribal. Language in the identity of a national that is used to communication with other nation, where has a different language with the characteristic and original of each. Likewise, with the Indonesia language, the history of Indonesia itself cannot be separated from Malay. Indonesia is very dynamic, so its product new vocabulary from the creation and observation of local and foreign language. One of the language that come from outside in English, where English is an international language used as communication between national. So it's not surprising many people learn to master English. This is so they are not blind to the information in the world. Although learning English is important, it would be better if we as citizens of Indonesia continue to maintain, preserve, and cultivate Indonesia language. To further deepen Indonesia language, we must know the history of Indonesia language and its development to that where Indonesia is the unifying language of Indonesia very diverse population. discuss tourist attraction in Indonesia. Tourist attraction in Indonesia are well known in foreign countries. Many tourist areas in Indonesia have become popular tourist destinations in the world. The Deserver, mountain range and Island provide a beautiful and attraction nature tourist landscape to enjoy. Indonesia, which is located in the top tropics, is an attraction for foreign tourists coupled with a variety of islands, providing a special attraction for diver, surfer, and connoisseur of marine tourists. Some popular tourist attractions in Indonesia, such as Bali, Lombok, Raja Ampat, and Aceh, have become tourist icons and have become a popular holiday destination for foreign and domestic tourists.
Indonesia sudah sejak lama terkenal dengan pemandangan alam yang sangat mempesona. Makanya tidak heran jika setiap tahun banyak wisatawan asing yang berbondong-bondong datang berlibur ke Indonesia. Bahkan, tidak sedikit dari mereka yang datang berulang kali, hingga ada pula yang kemudian menetap di Indonesia. Di antara ribuan objek wisata di tanah air, berikut ini 10 objek wisata Indonesia yang paling populer di dunia. 1. Bali. Hingga saat ini, Bali masih menjadi objek wisata Indonesia yang paling populer di dunia. Kawasan ini sudah sejak lama dikenal dunia dan identik dengan Indonesia. Bahkan, tidak sedikit wisatawan asing yang mengenal Indonesia sebagai Pulau Bali. Beberapa objek wisata favorit di Pulau Dewata ini diantaranya adalah Pantai Kuta, Pantai Sanur, Pura Tanah Lot, Bedugul, Danau Batur, Kintamani, Pura Unwatu dan Pura Besakih, dan Tanjung Benola. 2. Raja Ampat, Papua Barat. Kepulauan Raja Ampat dikenal memiliki pantai dan pemandangan laut yang terindah di dunia. Gugusan pulau-pulaunya yang berjumlah ratusan, pantai berpasir putih yang memikat, hingga aneka ragam terumbu karang di bawah laut, menjadikannya sebagai objek wisata Indonesia yang populer di dunia saat ini.
Next, traditional Indonesia. Cuisine is a cheapest of original food various region throughout of unitary status of the Republic of Indonesia. Recipe and way of making traditional culinary are usually hereditary. The traditional culinary taste from our regional will be different from other regions. That is why the traditional cuisine of the Unity Republic of Indonesia has many unique and rich in various flavor. There is no specific reference that can mention the exception state of the Republic of Indonesia in an archipelago country which each island consists of several cities, which still have several regional within a city. Each city in Indonesia has its own culture. This has made Indonesia one of the countries with the most countries in the world. The fact is not uncommon for Indonesia native culture, which is very popular with many neighbor countries, like a group of Dutch students studying Javanese culture, more precisely gamelan music, or even until the original culture of Indonesia is recognized as an indigenous culture for other countries.
Nasi tiwul adalah sejenis nasi yang berbahan dasar dari gaplek. Gaplek adalah singkong yang telah dikeringkan, biasanya dijemur di bawah terik matahari. Nasi tiwul ini aslinya berwarna coklat ya, namun kadang bercampur sedikit dengan nasi putih karena untuk memasaknya diperlukan sedikit nasi putih agar tidak lengket. Untuk teman nasi tiwul, warga setempat menambahkan sayur berbumbu pedas, ikan goreng, lalapan, atau urap sayuran, dan sambal bawang. Pastinya enak sekali ya guys. Jadi pengen nih. Bagaimana guys? Keren kan?
Food Hermor, the ethnic group in Indonesia. The Indonesia have more than 300 ethnic group or ethnic group. More presence, there are 1,340 ethnic group in the country according to the 2010 BPS census. The Javanese are the largest group in Indonesia with 41% of the total population. Whereas Kalimantan and Papua, there is a small population of only 100 of people. The definition of ethnic group in Indonesia is not absolute and unclear. This is the result of population move on, culture mixing, and mutual influence.
Warga etnis adalah suatu golongan manusia yang antara anggota satu dengan lainnya memiliki kesamaan. Umumnya kesamaan tersebut berupa garis keturunan, ciri-ciri biologis, bahasa, budaya dan perilaku. Indonesia yang mempunyai wilayah yang luas terdiri dari berbagai macam suku bangsa. Menurut data BPS pada tahun 2010, jumlah suku bangsa di Indonesia adalah 1.340 suku, terdiri dari suku-suku besar seperti Jawa dan Sunda sampai suku-suku kecil yang biasanya tinggal di wilayah pedesaan.